Hi, my name is Dave. I'm a professional carpenter. I've been a carpenter for over 36 years. Anything in the high-end carpentry area, that's kind of what I do for work. I'm looking for a consistent, stable platform in order to continually get the same cuts that I get over and over and over again. This track saw gives me the high-end capabilities of any of the other high-end track saws on the market. It's lightweight, easy to transport, easy to set up. It's an easy process to drop the track onto a guide, line the guide up with pencil marks, and make a quick cut. I'm substantially impressed by the battery life in the track saw. I get a number of cuts. I can work all morning long and I don't have to think about it. It's like being plugged into the wall without an extension cord. I could just keep cutting and cutting and cutting. I would say in any given day I would lose an hour to an hour and a half's worth of time plugging cords in, unplugging cords, changing tools around, and recalibrating tools. Having a cordless job site for me makes me look like an extreme professional with a client. It's mobile and it untethers me from the need of an extension cord plugged into a wall. The downside with some of the other manufacturers has been the inconsistency in the cuts, the deterrent of the exorbitant cost of some of them, and it's very frustrating when you spend a lot of money on a high-end tool and you get the same inconsistency you do with a bottom-of-the-line, low-grade tool. Every single carpenter needs to have one of these because these, when it comes to cutting large pieces of material, the track saw system gives me the ability to be fast and efficient and safe and do a great job every single time.